Hi Lakers, this video is to show you how to use Desmos geometry to create your diagram and to have a place to check your work and do calculations. So once you open up your link, you'll want to start by picking the locations of where they would appear on a map. For example, I know I'm starting in Minneapolis. And then from Minneapolis, I'm traveling to Whitefish, Montana, which is slightly northwest. So notice I'm going to the left and then up for my northwest. And then I'm going southwest to San Diego, California. And then from San Diego, California, I'm going almost directly east to El Capitan, Texas, where the Guadalupe Mountains are. Now that I have those points, I'm going to name them. So I click on the point, click on the three dots that say more, click on label, and replace A with your location. I'll do the same for Whitefish, Montana. And now I'm going to draw lines between my vertices. If I would have used the polygon tool to create a four-sided polygon, I would not be able to label the sides. I could label the diagram. Actually, I can't even label the diagram. But so we don't want a polygon. We want to create the polygon with lines that we can intentionally label with the distance between. So notice I created this line between Whitefish and Minneapolis. Now I'm going back to the arrow and then selecting that line. Now I can intentionally put the distance between those locations. 1,838.8 miles. And then I can connect the rest of my vertices, the rest of my locations. And then I can finish labeling all four locations and labeling the distances between them. The other great piece of this geometry link in Desmos is that I can do the same calculations as the graphing calculator of Desmos. For example, if I wanted to type 12 times the sine of, say, 55 degrees, I can do the trigonometry, I can do all kinds of calculations. If I move this out of the way, you can see that the toolbar is still there. All the awesome functions that we've been working with in trigonometry are right here. The other key things to be aware of is that it's automatically in degrees. But check just to make sure everything is calculated in degrees. It's a quick check between radians and degrees. And then the last thing is to save it something that you remember. This is Unit 2, our math project. Notice it saves it there. And then you have a unique link, copy, and then you can paste it in your slides where you have your diagram. So here's my Desmos link to diagram and calculations, and you can put that right where you put your diagram. Take a screenshot of your diagram, and then you're ready to go. So thank you for watching this video.